Joining the paint team at Vermeer means you have an opportunity to learn, master, and be appreciated for your craft. You contribute firsthand to that iconic Vermeer yellow iron, putting finishing touches on equipment seen on job sites throughout the world, feeding and fueling communities, managing natural resources, and connecting others to the necessities of life. The electrostatic wet spray process you use gets tough work done with less waste. Unlike traditional spray, this allows the paint to move like a magnet to metal. Your first weeks on the job are spent with certified trainers in a mix of both classroom and hands-on modules. The training is specific to you, changing pace and content based on your needs. You'll also get a deeper understanding of your responsibilities, build your confidence, and enhance your performance. Focused on the task at hand, helping to equip our customers to do more. A legacy of innovation and grit, pride in what we do, and our team turn raw steel into Vermeer yellow iron that drives our world forward. Join the team who does more.